In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join LinkedIn groups in just 5 minutes. It's a simple process that can connect you with like-minded professionals and expand your network. Whether you're looking to share insights, learn from others, or simply connect with industry peers, joining a LinkedIn group can be an invaluable tool for your career. First, let's head over to LinkedIn. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in linkedin.com. or clicking on the LinkedIn icon if you have it bookmarked. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, the next step is to sign in. Simply click on the Sign In button, which you can easily spot at the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email and password, and you'll be in. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn homepage. From here, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Clicking on it will allow you to start your quest for groups. Think about your interests, industry, or goals and what kind of group would benefit you the most. It could be anything from a group focused on digital marketing strategies to one dedicated to professional development in healthcare. Once you've decided on a keyword, type it into the search bar and hit enter. After the results page loads, you'll notice several tabs below the search bar, such as People, Jobs, and Others. You're going to want to click on the Groups tab. This will filter the search results to show only LinkedIn groups associated with your keyword. Scroll through the list of groups that appears and take a moment to read their descriptions. It's important to select a group that not only aligns with your interests, but also promises active engagement and interaction. When you've made your selection, click on the name of the group to go to its page. Now you're at the group's homepage. Here you can see posts and discussions that give you further insight into the group's activity and dynamics. If you're convinced this is the right group for you, it's time to take the plunge and join. Look for the Join button, which is typically located under the group's cover image or near the top of the page. Clicking Join sends a request to the group administrator for approval. Some groups are open and will add you immediately, while others might require you to wait for approval. Either way, by following these steps, you'll soon find yourself part of a vibrant LinkedIn community where you can share ideas, seek advice, and grow your professional network. So there you have it, an easy and effective way to join LinkedIn groups that match your interests and career aspirations.